Welcome to you've heard of me, Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click once on the switcher near the Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see here all the available networks. And now we can select one from this network and to connect. For example, we can go with the first one. Just click here. Here you should enter the password to this network. By click once on this eye icon, you can see here the password to have no sound mistake here, and after that just to connect here. Now I'll just enter the password out of screen, and now I'll click here to connect. Now just wait a second, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, sure, you can select one more just Wi-Fi here, another one, for example this one. By the same way, enter the password, click to connect, and then you can switch between these two networks if you want. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and by the same way you will turn off the Wi-Fi on your device. And also we got the second way how we can do this. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click here once on the Wi-Fi icon, and then to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the Wi-Fi, and you will here find and see all of these available networks. By the same way, you can connect to one from these networks, enter the password and click to connect. And when just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.